Starting off tonight with an update to a cold case story we brought to you last Friday. Today, 63-year-old Stephen Bouchard entered a not guilty plea in court after state police arrested him in Winslow on Friday in connection with the 1987 murder of Alice Hawks. Officials say Bouchard, who was 24 at the time, was Hawks' boyfriend. The two lived together in an apartment in Westbrook, the same apartment where she was found dead. Hawks' family released a statement today saying in part, quote, "We, the family of Alice Hawks, would like to express our sincere gratitude to the Maine Attorney General's office and Maine State Police for their dedication and perseverance in the investigation into Alice's murder." Bouchard is being held at the Cumberland County Jail without bail.